Hi guys, welcome to Annie's Sky, and today we are gonna be teaching my friend's dog Archie to play Roblox. So let's get into the video. I wonder how this is gonna go. So first, we're gonna be joining Adopt Me. I feel like it's like the easiest game for people to learn, right, Archie? Isn't that right? So, yeah. Oh, and before I forget, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Hope you enjoy. So, we're getting into Adopt Me. Guys, if you didn't know, the sale is done. I actually haven't checked. Oh, wait, is it still on? I thought it would be gone by now. Let's claim my star reward. Okay. There we go. And Archie, come here. Come here, Archie. Archie's right there. And now, Archie, try and play. Oh, I'm gonna lock my house so nobody sees me play. Oh, maybe I should have went in a private server. Archie, come on, take it. Take the can. Okay. Archie, you're supposed to press on W, S, D, and F. And wait, A. No, lay down. Archie, don't lay down. Play Roblox. I have an idea. Guys, I'll be right back. Actually, do not come. I have an idea. Archie. Okay, Archie's following me. I got some of his treats in my hand. Now, let's try this out. Archie. There you go. Archie, now put your paw on here. You know what? I'm gonna give him treats if he presses W, A, S, or D. Archie, go get that. Archie, no. Don't get those. Archie, come. Archie, no. No, Archie. Come here. Oh, no, don't bite these. They're on my computer. Okay, so. Archie, if you press. Archie, no. Oh, you ate one. Oh, okay, let's check out this party. Here. Archie, come here. Come here, Archie. Play Roblox. Come on, play Roblox. You can do it. Archie, look. Look at the camera. Guys, look, he's doing it. Guys, he's doing it. He's doing it. But he's going all over the place. This should be a thing. Oh, he left. Archie, come here. We're gonna be playing Roblox. What? Okay, good. Now do this. Archie, look at the camera. Come on, play Roblox. Play Roblox. Don't bite my computer. Play Roblox. Yeah, guys, this is a complete fail. Well, he did play for a bit. Well, Archie, look at the camera. Archie. It's so hard to make him even look at the camera. Archie, look at the camera. There. Okay, you're playing. Good. Now you're playing. I have an idea. Archie. Okay, so I'm gonna take over right now. And I'm gonna get out a doggy, Archie. I'm gonna get out a doggy. Here's a nice doggy. We have a posting dog out. Do you like it? Do you like the dog? And we're gonna name it Mike. Archie. Okay, we got Archie right out here. Archie, don't leave. And now, what we're gonna want to do is just get him, let's get him a collar. Do you know what? I think he does. I think he's gonna get a collar. I don't know. You're a handsome boy, Archie. I think you gonna get this bow tie. We're gonna make you have a black bow tie. And do you like get these glasses? Yeah, I think you're gonna like those. Do you want to be? Oh, it's so cute. Archie, come here. Archie. Let's see. Let's get you a watermelon backpack. The stylish purse, actually. We got you a stylish purse. Maybe some earrings. Those earrings look better. Come, Archie, come. So Archie is right now here. He's ready. Guys, if you don't hear Archie in the background, Archie, come here. Archie, don't bark at the neighbors. Archie, come. Archie is right now barking at the neighbors. Archie, no. Archie, 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 Archie. Okay, it's time to Archie, Archie. Yeah, Archie's completely out of control right now. Come on, Archie. We're just gonna get some tools, and we're gonna search up dog. We got your leash. Archie, come. Archie, come here. Archie. Yeah, this video is probably a complete fail. Oh well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.